Channel 54 refers to an error occurring if the input voltage is improperly connected in a product using three-phase power, or if the power connection sequence is wrong. Channel 54 refers to an error that can be checked in either the indoor or outdoor unit and wired remote control. The remote control displays CH and 54 alternately, and the red LED flashes twice on the indoor unit's display window. The red and green LED lights of the outdoor unit's main PCB flash 5 and 4 times, respectively. Make sure to inspect the circuit breaker, power line, and power supply as basic items for service checks. The single-phase product should have a 220 volt plus/minus 10% when the LN phase is measured. The three-phase product should have a 380 volt plus/minus 10% when two phases are measured, excluding the N phase from the RSTN phases, or a 220 volt plus/minus 10% voltage when an RST phase is measured with the N phase. First, turn off the outdoor unit. Check the connection of the main power line connected to the breaker and the unit's power terminal. Reconnect if loose. Separate all harnesses from the outdoor unit's main PCB and noise filter. Then separate the casing of the main and fan PCBs. Check if the fuse is normal, that is, located at the bottom of the noise filter on the rear side. To check if the fuse is normal, separate it and measure its resistance value. A normal reading is 0.1 ohm or less, while an abnormal reading will result in infinity being displayed. Check for errors in the power supply part, such as in the PCB noise filter.